Okay, quick off-the-cuff video. I've started playing about with anti-gravity again, and I noticed it's changed the way it's formatted. It's a bit more like GPT now, Windows. So I quickly thought, do you know what? I want to go back to the old ways. So this is the 2.0 anti-gravity that's they forced you to move to. So if you go to anti-gravity Google, you go to this page. If you download now, this one here, it's just downloaded anti-gravity 2.0. You don't want that. So you need to come down, put the CLI in if you want, the SDK, and we're wanting AntiGravity IDE. So we just put press explore product. You've got all these in here. Agents that help you. Download for 64, download for. Press on that one so you got the Windows. So now you could do direct manual download for AntiGravity 2.0. We've already got that. You could do it through PowerShell to get the CLI. But we want the AntiGravity IDE. So if you're on Apple, do the Apple one. If you're on Windows, Linux, whatever, and then we just download it. And that will start to download. As you can see at the top there, downloading the little window. And then we just want to execute it. Accept the license agreement. I think we'll have create a desktop icon. We like that. And then install. I'll be back in a moment. Okay, and it's downloaded now, so we'll just press finish. And that should boot up into its own separate window. And then it should ask you to migrate. We shall see. Okay, so we need to log back in, BitLux. There we go. Which one's it? That one? Yeah. What does this one say here? Always allow, we'll always allow that. But we don't need to open it because we've already got it open. So as you can see now, it's we'll put this on the big window. Because we've logged in, we want to migrate our old one across, so we simply just press migrate, as you would expect. Success, continue. And it takes you through the menu. Import from cursor. Start fresh. Go for dark mode. Review. We'll just stick with recommendations. Build with Google. Plugins and packages. Well, I'm going to press them all. You probably do this later on, to be honest. Then you have to agree. And then you're on the onboarding again, like the old IDE. It's installing the extensions. Seems to have got some errors here. Google Data Cloud download. Don't need that open. Close that. Got a Cloud code there. Believe we can go to yep, and then we've got it all. Back to the way we were. So a quick one, you can hide agents and stuff. If you click on the right sidebar here, have your agent back, right click again, you can hide Cloud code, you can move it, the accounts, you can move your position, top, whatever. I like it right hand side. So there you've got all ready to start your projects. And again, you can just move it here as well. Let's kill that. Cloud code. Let's kill that one for now. And there you have it, back up and running. Thanks for watching. See you next time.